Once again I have brought for you a super interesting film named Hitpig. This is the story of a pig who catches runaway animals and returns them to their real owners. A woman had brought a small piglet to her home and raised it. Her husband, a bounty hunter, works to bring these animals back. Everything was going on absolutely normal. Then a big green and dangerous creature comes and takes the woman's piglet with him. The piglet dies in this accident and our hero Hitpig, who is very scared of crocodiles, is left alone. Now every time an animal runs away, people call Hitpig to catch it. Hitpig, with his hard work and courage, catches runaway animals and returns them to their owners. Now Pollock enters the story, who is a genetically modified creature. Scientists had done experiments on him, due to which he got superpowers. He runs away from his lab and shouts in the joy of freedom, "Now I am free," but then Hitpig catches him and returns it to its owners. This is Hitpig's way of life. Catch runaway animals and earn money. Now in the story comes Lipin, who runs a circus. This man is very cruel and forces the animals of his circus to work. Piglet, Pickles and some dogs also fall prey to his force. Along with Lipin is the same dangerous crocodile who had killed Batha earlier. Hitpig has a high-tech car full of futuristic gadgets and he loves to cook in his free time. Then one day the news comes that a koala has disappeared from the zoo. Hitpig immediately takes his car and leaves for the mission. On the other hand, Lipin is torturing the animals of his circus. He feeds dog food to the elephant and makes the rest of the animals work excessively. In the climax, Hitpig saves all the animals from Lipin and that crocodile on the strength of his bravery and technology, but the story does not end here. When the koala named Kolak attacks Hitpig, a nun sister and a girl with freckles make Kolak unconscious with their analyzer. In the end, Hitpig proves with his heart and mind that he is not just a bounty hunter but a true hero. After this, when Coke was brought back to the zoo, Hitpig was given a huge amount for his work. At the same time, a security guard of the circus is having lunch comfortably after parking his car in the desert. He is watching some news about Super Rooster's car on his phone. After finishing his meal, he sits in his car and checks his bank balance, but then a girl named Tisha hacks his system and steals all the money from his account. Now Tisha did not do all this for any personal benefit. She believed that it is better to give animals a chance to live freely rather than sending them back to their owners. She clearly said that she will use this money only for the welfare of animals. She did all this because a security guard had told her that an elephant is in great trouble. When Hitpig was given the responsibility of catching this elephant, she said in anger, "Call Hitpig," and immediately he was sent on the mission. The security guard told him that if he catches the elephant, then he will be called. If he brings him back, he will get the money as per his demand. Since Hitpig's bank account was empty, he accepted this job. With the help of his advanced systems, Hitpig tracked that the elephant can go somewhere either by train, ship or flight. He noticed that a flight has landed in London and a big circus tent is set up there. Hitpig immediately reached there. Hitpig and his team tried many plans to catch Pickles, but Pickles was doing makeup at that time. Pickles understood that humans have come to catch her. She ran away from there and went straight to the roof. On the roof, Hitpig asked her, "Are you Letitia's friend?" But Pickles did not answer. The truth was this: that Hitpig had actually come on a mission to catch Leap, but when he saw Pickles, he could not resist talking to her. Falling from the roof, both of them somehow jumped on the roof of a bus and escaped from there. Hitpig was told that if he disguises himself as a woman, the mission will become easy. He called Leap and said, "I am coming with a package, keep the money ready." While going towards the plane, suddenly Letitia reached there. Letitia fired at Hitpig and Hitpig also fired back. Both were very tired, but still somehow they were moving forward. Then the emergency door of the flight opened and Pickles was about to fall. Hitpig saved Pickles from falling and himself stayed with him. Letitia had Hitpig's high-tech equipment. Finally, both of them landed safely with the help of a parachute. After landing, Hitpig and Pickles reach a deserted warehouse. The atmosphere there is a little scary but exciting. Hitpig suddenly gets an idea that why not make a new car from the scrap lying here. After sweating and working hard the whole day, after work, by evening he prepares an amazing car which really looks like a UFO. He has installed high-tech gadgets and advanced systems in the car. Pickles is so happy to see his hard work that she hugs him. As they walk a little further, they see some hot air balloons in the sky. Pickle thinks that it might be the elephant. Both of them board a balloon and fly. Hitpig warns from below, do not press any button and do not touch anything. While flying, Pickles jokingly asks, "You have everything, have you ever thought of retirement?" Hitpig answers with a light smile, "I like cooking a lot, maybe I will become a chef." In the midst of their laughter and jokes, suddenly the balloon bursts and both of them fall straight on the set of a live cooking show. Leap is watching this show on TV and jokingly says, "I went to hold his hand. Now I have become a chef in the kitchen." Hitpig gets nervous for a while, but then he composes himself and makes a great dish. The audience gets impressed with his cooking skills. Suddenly there is a strong shock on the stage. When the stage is about to fall, Hitpig puts a small piece of crab in the dish and says that this is the last ingredient. After that, Hitpig goes to a small bathroom and takes a shower and lies down on the sofa to rest for a while. While sleeping, he has a dream. In the dream, he sees that Lipin and his dangerous crocodile have reached there. Lipin showers money on him, but the atmosphere becomes so tense that Hitpig does not understand what to do. Pickles slowly realizes that Hitpig had actually come to India to save him and not to work for Lipin. On the other hand, the elephant shows a lot of bravery in the beginning, but as soon as the crocodile comes there, he faints out of fear. Pickles does not get any help in the meantime and the situation becomes serious. Then Hitpig wakes up and sees that Letitia Kovla Polycap and the same small crab are standing around him. Everyone says the same thing, that we have to save Pickles. On the other hand, Lipin and the crocodile are hatching a big conspiracy. Hitpig and his team prepare a smart plan to save Pickles. Then Super Rooster, who is the world's most powerful man, arrives. Is a famous hero. He reaches there. The responsibility of saving Pickles is given to Hitpig, and in return Super Rooster gets a huge amount of money and resources. Hitpig is fully prepared for the mission, and it will be exciting to see how he will save Pickles. As soon as Super Rooster arrived, the atmosphere became completely different. People surrounded him and started asking for autographs because he was everyone's favorite cartoon character. Super Rooster said in his funny style that my third wife ran away with the penguin, but what difference does it make? Everyone started laughing after listening to him. On the other hand, Puckle was impressing everyone with her style and drama performance. Then Hitpig and his team noticed that the entire tent of the circus has started floating in the air. They are surprised and think, what is this new problem? Actually, that tent was a rocket which was being launched to go to the moon. In a short while, Hitpig and the team understood that they are now in space. There everyone was flying here and there in zero gravity. Pickles and a dog were somehow stuck at one place. The circus was now going on in space like a grand show which was never seen before. Pickles was shocked to see the whole environment, but was also a little excited from inside. Hitpig and his team accidentally fall inside that flying tent. After a little struggle, things become normal. Pickles started feeling that he has gone far away from Hitpig, but then Letitia comes in her super fast car and leaves with Hitpig. Hitpig, with his intelligence, throws Leap and the crocodile out and escapes himself. Many people and animals were trapped in the tent trapped in space. The danger of oxygen running out was increasing. Hitpig and his team made a plan on how to bring this rocket tent back to Earth. In this mission, Polycat proves to be a hero. Without her cleverness and courage, this mission would not have been completed. Finally, everyone together succeeds in bringing the tent safely to Earth. People start celebrating happily. After this, Pickle has opened the tent and everyone dances with joy. Letitia, Polycat and the rest of the friends also reach there. Everyone together says that we are all a family, so in this way everyone together